nutrition is 90% of everything. You have to consume that right amount of protein, the calories, everything, because that's how you heal. That's how you get better. That's how you get stronger. You know, obviously you have to have strength to exercise, right? So you have to eat properly to have the strength to exercise. And now that you exercise, now you have to feed your muscles. Otherwise, you really wasted your exercise. And eating healthy through that day, you know, you will feel better. You will have more energy. You know, with everything I have going on right now, my workout schedule hasn't been the best. My eating hasn't been the best like it usually is. So I'm the last one to preach it right now, in my opinion. But when everything is on point, yeah, the results are insane. Let me tell you what, eating healthy does not have to taste bad. I mean, I can make you a green smoothie that you will die for. You'll think you're drinking candy, and it's spinach and kale, and I mean, it's amazing.